Hey guys, my name's Tyler and this is my 1983 Toyota FJ60, and today I'm going to take a minute and kind of walk through each of the things I've done to it and what that costs, kind of a rough estimate. To get things started, when I purchased this, I bought it for about $2,000. It was in pretty rough shape, needed a ton of work, a ton of body work. A lot of interior was missing. It had the original 2F engine in it. It did run good, transmission was good, but I ended up kind of switching things up there. But starting off, I mean, the obvious thing is the body work. I did everything myself with the help of my dad, and we painted it ourselves in an inflatable paint booth. And the cost on all of that was about $2,500 to, get all the Bondo. There's not a ton of Bondo in it, but your Bondo, your primers, the paint. It is the OEM in the original color to this Land Cruiser. It's the light blue metallic paint code, and it was a little more costly than the cheap stuff, but it looks right. Next thing, kind of off the rip, is the wheels and tire setup. So it's got 33, 12.5, 15 BFGs on it. The wheels and tires, I got the wheels off Facebook Marketplace, and the tires too, but not together. All together, about $2,000 for the wheels, tires. And then it's got the Old Man Emu like mana-free lift on it, the 2.5-inch lift. It does have a little rake, but it sits about right. I kind of like it. And the cost on that was about $2,500 off the top of my head. Next thing, we've got the front bumper. It's the 4 Plus front bumper from Mana-Free, and we got the Warn winch and some Hellas on there. So all that together was probably a little over $2,000. It's got the LED headlights, a couple $100. I also, another thing I did to it is it's got PPF. The whole hood is PPF'd, and the doors, each the front and back door on both sides, is PPF'd, just to kind of protect all that hard work that went into it. You can see the interior. This came from a parts vehicle that I bought for $1,000. Between what I had and what was in it, in that parts one, I was able to piece together pretty much all the interior. Looks pretty clean. And like I said, that parts rip was $1,000. We'll go ahead and pop the hood. Obviously, probably the most expensive piece of the restoration was the LS swap. You can see that there. I've done another video kind of walking through that and the breakdown of the costs of what that costs for a vehicle like this. It does have the 4L60E transmission, so all that together, the LS swap cost about $10,000. I did most of the work myself. I'm sure you could do it for cheaper, but I was pretty happy with that considering I didn't really know what I was doing. Rear bumper, I had a guy CNC cut it all out, and I welded it up and just spray painted it. It was about $400 to have that done. Some of the other things I've done to it, I put down this rubber mat. It's been pretty nice. So you can just flip that back. It's all one piece. I mean, pretty cheap. Get all of that done for a couple $100. Does have a new head unit. I daily drive this thing, so having that is pretty nice. It's got the Holley Terminator X Max system on it. That's included with the cost of the LS swap, but that was a good investment, I would say. But yeah, if you want to see more about this thing, check out some of the other videos I've posted. I just wanted to throw a quick video on here, just a couple minutes showing the rig, so you don't have to sit through a super long video, but I will fire it up real quick so you can understand the coolness of the LS. And like I said, I daily drive this, and without that LS it wouldn't be as much fun, so we'll go ahead and fire it up. It does have a loud fuel pump, but and yep, so this is my handheld. Tell me everything I need to know. Yeah, definitely my favorite part about the thing is the LS, and it sounds pretty good and it makes it a lot of fun to drive. So that's just a quick video on my Land Cruiser. If you want to see more videos like this, just check out my channel and you can learn a little bit more about this rig and some others.